Hey Matt, this is that 79 YZ400 gold valve job I'm working on. I finished up the shim stacks this weekend, but one thing I noticed, and I actually read the instructions, is that when I tighten this nut down, it's still the top of the shim stack and the bottom face of this nut, I'll get to it here in a second, extends up above the shoulder. You can see that's a very small dimension there. So common sense, I think, tells me that I need to get do I need to trim this or put it in a lathe and trim it up? Whatever. This dimension right here is too short to allow the shim stack to be below it so that the nut comes down and clamps on the shoulder. And the instructions say to call you guys. So I'm going to send this to you, and then I'm going to call you and see if you can provide me with any guidance or wisdom. So talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.